Hello student, I myself Professor M. N. Jadhav, a faculty in Electronics and Telecommunication Department from KK Polytechnic, Nasik. In these presentations, we will see some sample MCQ on a diode. Let us see the symbols. The diode having two terminals, anode and the other is cathode. Now we'll switch over to the questions. The question one, a crystal diode has how many junctions? The options are 1 PN junction, 2 PN junction, 3 PN junctions, or none of the above. Definitely, a crystal diode has only 1 PN junctions. So the answer is 1 PN junctions. The second question we'll see, a crystal diode has forward resistance of the order of. That means if the diode is forward biased, then the current is going to flow. That indicates definitely its resistance should be low. And that's why the answer comes as ohm. The next question, that the ideal diode behaves as a perfect when the diode is in forward bias conditions. The options are conductor, insulator, resistance, material, and none of the above. But we know that the ideal diode, it behaves as a perfect conductor when it is forward bias, because we are familiar when there is a flow of current at that time, the diode must be in the conducting state. The answer is, that's why the answer is a conductor. In this question, the leakage current in a crystal diode is due to, we know or we should be familiar, the leakage current is nothing but it is having the very small quantity, and definitely it flows because of the minority carriers. We can say the very few electrons, they are present and that causes the flow of leakage current. So the answer for this is minority carriers and not other answers. In this question, when the diode is forward biased, the recombinations of free electrons and holes produces. We know that the diode, when it becomes forward biased, there is a breakage of the depletion layers. And this condition is going to occur because of the increase in temperature, because of the increase in light and the radiations. So the answer definitely goes to all of the above. Go for the next question. The deflection region behaves as, we know that the deflection layer is nothing but the region between P and N type of material, that is holes and electrons. So the options are semiconductor, insulator, conductor, and a high resistance. So definitely the answer is insulator, because till the deflection layer is present, there is no flow of current through the device or through the diode. The next question, when the crystal current diode current is large, then the biasing should be. We know that when the diode is in forward bias conditions, then only there is a heavy flow or the large flow of current. So the answer for this question is nothing but the forward bias state or the forward biasing. Now in this question, we can say that the graph between the current through and the voltage across the device is a straight line. The device is referred as. The question indicates when there is a flow of voltage or the voltage increases and the current is also going to increase in the proportion for that ones. So definitely from this option, the option must be the linear. In this question, if the temperature of a crystal diode increases, then the leakage current. We know that the diode conducts or there is a breakage of the depletion layer, and it is nothing but because of the temperature and because of the voltage. That's why our answers, it should be comes to for this question, that is if the temperature of a crystal diode increases, then the leakage current increases. And in this question, we can say that a crystal diode utilizes which type of characteristics for the rectifications. We know that the diode, when it is in forward bias, then there must be the flow of current and we get the output voltage across the load. That's why the answer for this last question is crystal diode utilizes only forward characteristics for its rectifications. Thank you.